Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Top 3 Zone. I am presenting the top 3 solar generators in detail briefly. The top 3 solar generator links are given in the description box. So let's get started and enjoy this video. Number 1. EF EcoFlow Power Station Generator. EcoFlow Power Station is equipped with a lithium battery pack. It can be charged by the 10 to 65 volt solar panel. Not included, AC wall adapter and car charger efficiently. EFDELTA can be recharged from 0% to 80% in 1 hour and to 100% in 2 hours. Delta features 6 AC outlet, 100 volts to 120 volts 1800W3300W peak, 2 USB-C port, 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-A fast charge and 1 standard District of Columbia 13.6V port. Power your smartphone, laptop, camera, drones, in-car appliances, CPAP machine, refrigerator, blender and more at any time without worry. EcoFlow patented X-Stream technology empowers EFDELTA recharged at 10 times the speed of most portable power stations in the market with just a standard AC cable. Delta is a portable power station with 1,260 watt-hours, which to meet different kinds of electricity demands outdoor usage for home, travel, camping, backseat on long road trips. Advantages: high performance and handy power source. Recharge from 0% to 80% within 1 hour. Triple rechargeable modes. Efficient solar. Number 2. Jackery Explorer 300 Generator. It takes only 2 hours to recharge 80% battery of the power station through the wall outlet and 60 WPD USB-C port simultaneously. You can also recharge your power station with an AC adapter when at home, through the car outlet during a road trip, or simply use a Jackery Solar Saga 100. Armed with a 293 watt-hours lithium-ion battery pack, the Explorer 300 features 2 pure sine wave AC outlets that deliver stable and safe 300W power. The portable power station weighs only 7.1 pounds. You can simply rest assured in outdoor off-grid activities. Featuring 2 AC outlet, 1 PD60W USB-C port, input-output supported, 1 fast charge 3.0 port, 1 USB-A port and 1 DC car port. The power station can recharge itself and charge up to 6 devices, e.g. drones, MacBook, cameras, etc., at the same time to satisfy your outdoor needs. The power station is compatible with the Jackery Solar Saga 100 solar panel. The integrated MPPT controller enables the solar generator set to operate at its max power point, so that it speeds up the battery recharge, making them ideal portable power kits for tent camping, overland journey and etc. Advantages: green power supply. Power your expectations. Safe and steady power supply. Speed up your rechargeability. Number 3. Rockpals 300W Power Station Generator. The latest Rockpals 300 is equipped with 280Wh, 10.8V, 26 Ah, lithium-ion battery pack, has enough power to charge iPhone 12, 5.4-inch, about 28 to 29 charges, iPad mini about 14 charges, 12 inches MacBook, 41.4Wh, about 5 to 6 charges, mini car refrigerator, 40W, about 5 to 6 hours, GoPro, 5.9Wh, about 40 charges or other small home appliances. This portable battery can meet all your needs in outdoor camping, power outages and other emergency situations. Rockpals 300W Portable Power Station features 1 pure since wave 110 volts AC outlets, 300W rated, 500W peak, 1 car port, 12V 10A, 120W max, quick charge USB 3.0 and 30W USB-C PD output for 40% faster charge. The RockPower 300 power station for camping can meet the power supply for all your PD devices, from smartphones to laptops, at top speed. Revive your MacBook Pro in only 3 to 4 hours. Backup battery power supply. Use Battery Management System (BMS) to improve battery utilization. Extend battery life through short protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, overload protection, and overheating protection. Advantages: safe and reliable, efficient recharging methods, multi-function outputs, powerful portable power station.